These little roads in the Ardennes, sort of what you imagine when you think of the Battle of the Bulge, and you can imagine sort of a column of tanks trying to get through a road like this, and as soon as the first one shot up, then the whole thing would have difficulties getting past it, having to knock it off the road and then continue. But there's lots of cover for ambushes and the like. Up there we have a main road. We stopped here just now to have a look at this. This is the grave of Jules Dubru. I don't know who he is, but I'm going to see if I can find out something about him, and there will be information below if I do manage to find out anything. So he was shot on the executed, fusillé, on the 22nd of December 1944, aged 48. Why was he killed? I don't know, but if I find out, I will write it down. This village is Wibrin, and we have this tank here, as well as two commemorative plaques for the Second World War, one for the 40th anniversary in 1984, and the second one is from the 50th, which was 1995. So they took January, in that case, to our liberators, 1945 to 1995, and here's 40th anniversary to our fighters, the prisoners, the resistance and civil victims. And then we've got this tank up here, and let's have a look inside the tank. Now it's quite curious because the side has been taken out. So you get a good look inside, and you can see she's a Sherman M4A3, and then service date, and 32 tons, 5-man crew, and other details of it. 75mm gun, as well as the one machine gun 7.62. This gun, however, has seen better days, as can be seen here. I wonder how that happened. Anybody got an idea? Write it down. And I'm doing a lot of stuff here from on the Battle of the Bulge. I'm doing my Battle of the Bulge tour right now in similar weather. Well, I say similar, but no, it's the same date. Today's the 10th of January 2017, but it's much warmer than it was in 1945, and the snow in 45 was much deeper than it is today.